And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a Sony RX10 and it's a Model 4. I've been waiting for this for a little while. I was actually hoping to get the version 5, but I've waited 2 years and I've had enough, so I thought I'll get this one instead, and when the version 5 comes out, I'll buy that one as well. Now that I've cut the actual seal, let's have a look and see what's inside the box. This thing open. Okay, that comes that way, back. And we've got lots of little books here, quite a few, so we'll check them out later. It looks like a thing on the top here, little card of some type, so we'll pop that aside. So what else is in here? There's a bit of writing, it looks like, on the lid. So you can have a bit of a look at that if there's anything of interest. Might be a bit hard to read, but anyway, it's there. And what have we got here? That looks like the bag in here. And that's the camera, so we'll put it aside. What else have we got in the box? Oh, a few little bits and pieces, it looks like. We'll put them all out on the table, see what's here. That's all that's there. There's nothing else, so we'll get that out of the way. That one on the floor. Those things, just line them up in a few seconds, and check out this camera. Now, I've had this on order. This is 2 months I've been waiting for this camera to come. They're a bit hard to get hold of at the moment. They've been in short supply, as they say. So this is the Sony RX10 version 4. I was hoping to get the Mark V, but that's not available. I've been waiting 2 years for it to be released, and I thought, we'll blow it. I'll get the Mark IV, and hopefully the 5 will come out later this year, and when it does, I'll buy that one as well. And this is what came in the box. We've got the Sony RX10 Mark IV. We've got a little lens hood, a neck strap. This is a plug. It's an Australian one. It plugs into this little adapter, which of course is the charger, and that charges the camera itself with the battery, which is over here. That fits in the camera and it charges internally. We've got at the back here, there's a whole heap of different books, all different languages, so you shouldn't have any dramas reading your own language. I'm only interested in English, and of course there's English in amongst there. Let's have a look at the manual, and there's a lot of pages in here, so it will take some time for you to go through it. Feel free to pause at any time you see something of interest. There's quite a few videos already on this particular camera, and they explain the controls far better than I could ever do. So I'm just simply going to show you some of the photos that I've taken with this camera, and I've been extremely satisfied with it, and I'm glad I did not wait for the next version, which may or may not actually come out. I've also included a couple of slow motion clips just to give you an idea of the camera's capabilities. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever, doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that too. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that as well. I'd appreciate that. Anyway, hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best. Till then, bye.